what's going on, fam? All my dashers out there, welcome to the channel. Man, what's wrong with my camera, man? It's like stuff all over it. I don't know if the camera's looking good or what. But like I said, today is Friday. So, like I said, hope everything going on with you all. I just thought I'd drop in and holler at you all today. I don't know how long I'm gonna make this video or what I'm gonna make this video of today, but a few things I want to talk to you guys about is I know it's a lot of talk going on about some of these apps that you all are seeing. I've seen videos on Para, I've seen videos on Maxymo, I've seen videos on all kind of content creators are talking about these new apps about helping drivers utility helper. I've seen things like watch the live chats and things about the talk of those apps. So my thing is, will you use those apps? Is these apps beneficial as they say they were? Like I said, I'm gonna try because I do use Uber Eats a lot, and I do use DoorDash a lot. I'm really not set up for Grubhub yet, but once that case comes, I'll make that decision where I want to do that or not. But I think I just want to try, or I want to at least set up the Maxymo for Uber Eats and things like that. So I think I'm gonna try that, and there is a little bitty information on that particular app that you guys can check it out yourself. Just go into Google and type in Maxymo and check out that app and see whether it works for you. I know it has some pros and cons to it. I'm pretty sure, like most apps usually does, have some pros and cons to it. But my thing is it beneficial to you guys? Is it beneficial to your market or your dashing? I don't know how long you dash, or you do a part-time, full-time, or whatever, multi-apping that most of us probably do, multi-app, and it sounds like a good thing, but the thing about it, I know for Para you gotta really be careful with the TOS, but I haven't heard anybody getting deactivated for that case. But if it works for you, I think it should give you something. You got something to look forward at, and making that decision of which app is better for you, and making the best decision and making that money. You know what I'm saying? So I think I'm gonna set up the Maxymo. I know I was checking into that, and it seems like a pretty decent app to where you can really probably maximize. You set up your deliveries, as far as singing something out, declining, auto accepting. I don't know really how it's gonna set up, but I would like to explore a little bit more about that, to where to see if it really is beneficial to us, to me as well. I like to see if it's beneficial to me, because I really don't know. I'm just hearing a lot of live chat, and it seems like a very good idea. It seems like a very good thing for most drivers out here. If you want to be really particular about your money and making that money and reaching your goals faster, I think it may be something beneficial to us. So you just have to try to see. So I got a little bit of information. If you once you download Maxymo and you set up your account, more details with that, I'm pretty sure I'll probably shoot some videos or something, you know, about that. I'm pretty sure there's some content creators out there that's probably doing that, but I just want my own experience to see what it's all about, you know, and shoot some videos probably about my own experience with those apps. Does it work for me, or do I see any benefits in it? Maybe I do, but like I said, check out those apps, guys. You know, drivers, utility helper. I think that's not for DoorDash. I think it's some apps are for DoorDash, and Maxymo is for Uber Eats and Uber rideshare, and then you have the Para, that's for DoorDash and things like. I'm not sure what other app is for, but you know, just investigate, do your research, check out those apps, because we're all about out here making this money. We're always trying to reach our goals, and we just can't keep taking crap all day long and taking trash orders all the time with these apps. So a little bit of knowledge is key. Knowledge is power. So a little bit of knowledge, even though it's not on the, you know, I watched one content creator was testing it out, and it, you know, it wasn't spot on some of the things that he tested out with, but the majority of it was pretty accurate, and it really probably was helpful for him. So like I said, every app is not going to be spot on. It's probably going to have some flaws or whatever, some pros and cons, just like I said. But it may be worth a try if you guys really get out there and check those apps out and see how it works for you guys. If you are currently using any kind of those apps, please share your knowledge with us. Let us know, is it good? Is it bad? Share your thoughts down below on what you think about the apps. What do you see are the pros and cons of the app? Is it beneficial to you in your market? Are you making enough money? Are you reaching your goals with those apps? Whichever app, state which apps you're using. If you're using all of them, hey, thumbs up to you. If you're using certain ones in your market or whatever you're marketing in, share that with us. Share it with. I would like to know, because I don't know. I would like to know which apps are good. If it's bad, is it worth it? Is it worth paying the monthly subscription? Is it worth doing all that? I would like to know that. So I would like you guys to share your thoughts, share your comments below. Let us know what you think about these apps. What do you think about these apps? Hey, I do appreciate you. Hey, please give this video a thumbs up. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll get notified whenever your boy, post a new video, upload a new video, so you won't miss it every time, okay? But I do appreciate you guys showing your love for the channel. Thanks for the subscribers. You know, I can't grow without you all. I need more of your knowledge here to share with us. You know, it's about what's going on with these gig economies and these gig apps and such and such, etc. Okay? So I do appreciate that. Hey, I'm going to see what we can make. See if we're going to make it